I'm making this video for one of my subscribers, Scary Fia in Florida. She has a Jeep out in Florida. Check out her channel as well. So Scary Fia, what you're talking about in the comments that you were asking me about, or what was the blue you were seeing on the door hinges? These come black out of the factory. So I just painted them blue to match everything. I'll take a step back so you can see. A quick, easy project that I think came out great. I did this like a year ago, or last summer before my surgery. All these here, all this pops off with no tools. Just get your hand in here, your finger, and pop down, just go easy. And these come off. So that's the blue that you were asking about. I did it as well on the hardtop. Match the door, match the D-ring shackles, match the CB antenna. Quick, easy project, and I like it. I'm very happy that I did it. If you have any questions, Scary Fear, on it, drop a comment down below. And that's it. Very easy project. So I hope this video helped answer your question. And like I said, any other questions, put it in the comment section.